Welcome to the terrifying world of Poppy Playtime 3. Dive into this thrilling horror adventure where you'll uncover the dark secrets of the toy factory. With chilling atmosphere, mind-bending puzzles, and heart-pounding chases, prepare yourself for an unforgettable experience. Want to play? Start by searching for Modvovo Poppy Playtime 3 on Google. Click on the link to access the site. Once you're there, simply type Poppy Playtime 3 in the search bar to find the game. Experience the suspense and excitement of Poppy Playtime 3. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more thrilling gameplay and updates.